Happy weekend! Today I'm gonna share a very easy and tasty plant-based recipe that is created by myself. I call it fresh tomato soup zucchini. This recipe is full of nutrients. Tomatoes contain antioxidant lycopene, which can provide several health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and protect your skin. The calcium and vitamin K in tomato strengthen your bone health, and the vitamin A supports eye health. Zucchini is full of several vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. And because it is full of fibers, it promotes healthy digestion. Now let's take a look at how this dish is done. Hi, welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Serena Lee. I have gone plant-based diet for almost a year and have gained a lot of benefits from it. In this channel, I like to share the simple tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. The total preparation and cooking time for this recipe is about 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients and the cooking steps. This is a great dish for lunch or dinner. Of course, do not forget to include some protein to your meal for the portion of the day. If you need a high-protein recipe, you can go ahead and check my previous video on how to cook fried tofu. I hope you like the recipe and give it a try this coming week. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for similar content. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.